it's Lizette from Crochet Designs. Thank you for purchasing my pattern. I'm going to explain the brim of the hat, which has front post double crochet, back post double crochet, and there's just one little thing I wanted to point out, just in case if you haven't done them before. So this, I'm at the row right before we start the brim. So this is just a row of double crochet. And oh, real quick, size J 6mm hook. This is that Lion Brand landscape yarn, which I'm kind of obsessed with, and this one is called Coral Reef. I'll link in the description for that yarn if you want to check it out. So it says it's a size 4, but it's a little thicker in my opinion, so I use a 6. It says to use a 6.5 on the label, but I thought it was a little too loose, so that's what I use for my pattern in the photos you saw at the beginning. So front post double crochet and back post. We are at the end. We went to our last stitch before we get to the joining part. So we joined this row like normal, like any other row. So you have your last stitch here, you have your slip stitch from the row before, chain 1, chain 2, and it goes into here. So we're going to slip stitch into that. So now our row is joined. Okay, and like the pattern says, we're going to chain 2. You always chain 2 for front post double crochet, back post double crochet. We are going to ignore that chain from the previous row. So your first one does not go around the beginning chain because you need that there to keep joining your rows going up. So we did our chain 2. Our first front post double crochet will be in this one here. So here's our chain, previous row, here's the first front post double crochet. If you've never done one before, I'll show you real quick. You do your right hand's gonna do your double crochet like normal. It's just a matter of where you start. So normally we go into these V's in the top here. We are not doing that. We're going around the post. That's why it's called front post. So we're going around like this. So see my hook. We did our yarn over first. Go behind the post, just like you would if you were going into the V's in the top, and pull up and do your normal double crochet. So you see how it's coming forward, and that's what creates that like ribbed look that this hat has. So I just did one. There's our chain, previous row chain, this row's chain, first front post, around like we normally would, a double crochet, yarn over, behind the post, not into the V in the top, pull up like we normally do, double crochet. Okay, so there's 2. Then the pattern says to do a back post double crochet. So we start exactly the same, yarn over, but instead of going through the front like this, we're going through the back. So you literally, I do it without like flipping this over. I just think it's easier. So I'm gonna do it first how I normally do it, and then I'll see if I can show you from the back side. So you go around from the back. So here we did this one, we went around this pink one, we went around that pink one. This is our next one. So instead of coming through the front, we're coming through the back and in front of it. And we're pulling our yarn through, double crochet like normal. So you see there's 2 forward and 1 back. Let me do the next 2 so I can show you the back post again. So around the front post double crochet, yarn over, front post double crochet, now the back post again, yarn over, come from the back and in front of it, and then grab it and pull it through that same hole that you went through. Okay, so front post, yarn over. Here's the next one, go around from the front, go through it like that. Regular double crochet. Another one. Now our back post double crochet, yarn over, go through the back, and in front of the next one, grab that yarn and pull it up. Alright, hopefully that wasn't too confusing. I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, I just finished that first row of 2 front post double crochet, 1 back post double crochet, and we're at the end. So this green right here is our last front post double crochet. This first yellow one you see is that chain 2 that we did at the beginning. Okay, so we went around this last yellow one down here, and this pink one is our chain 2 from before. So I'm gonna slip stitch. I'm gonna leave that chain 2. I'm not gonna do any front post double crochet around it, and I'm gonna slip stitch to the beginning. So slip stitch, chain 1, chain 2. That's what we did before. It's going right in here. Okay. So slip stitch, chain 1, chain 2, right in there. And now the next row is actually easier because now that you have your front post and back post put in, the ones that are forward stick out. So it's actually even easier to do like without looking once you've done this a couple of times. So we're gonna start like usual. This is our next row of the same thing. Chain 2, yarn over. There's our chain row here, our chain from before, new chain. So we're gonna run this one, and it's already sticking up. It's probably even easier to see in person. That one's sticking forward, so it's a front post double crochet, yarn over, my back post, which is here. It's that yellow here. Double crochet, and you just keep going, and it's just easier once you have that first row put in. Alright, any questions, message in the comments below or email me, whichever you prefer. Thank you.